English, conversation, practice. Who cooks in your family? Who cooks in your family? My mother cooks in our family. My mother cooks in our family. Does it snow here in winter? Does it snow here in winter? Yes, it snows here in winter. Yes, it snows here in winter. What season do you like? What season do you like? I like spring. I like spring. Does the sun shine every day? Does the sun shine every day? No, it doesn't shine every day. No, it doesn't shine every day. When does winter start? When does winter start? Winter starts in December. Winter starts in December. Do you like rainy days? Do you like rainy days? No, I don't like rainy day. No, I don't like rainy day. How do you get to school? How do you get to school? I ride my bike to school. I ride my bike to school. Does the bus come on time? Does the bus come on time? Yes, the bus comes on time. Yes, the bus comes on time. Where do you park your car? Where do you park your car? I park my car in the garage. I park my car in the garage. Do trains run all night? Do trains run all night? No, trains don't run all night. No, trains don't run all night. How often do you drive? How often do you drive? I drive every day. I drive every day. Where do you buy groceries? Where do you buy groceries? I buy groceries at the supermarket. I buy groceries at the supermarket. What stores do you like? What stores do you like? I like clothing stores. I like clothing stores. Do you use credit cards? Do you use credit cards? Yes, I use credit cards. Yes, I use credit cards. Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies? Yes, I watch movies on weekends. Yes, I watch movies on weekends. Where do they sell fresh fruit? Where do they sell fresh fruit? They sell fresh fruit at the market. They sell fresh fruit at the market. What music does he like? What music does he like? He likes rock music. He likes rock music. Do you play video games? Do you play video games? Yes, I play video games sometimes. Yes, I play video games sometimes. Does she read magazines? Does she read magazines? Yes, she reads magazines. Yes, she reads magazines. Where do you go for fun? Where do you go for fun? I go to the park for fun. I go to the park for fun. Do you have many friends? Do you have many friends? Yes, I have many friends. Yes, I have many friends. Where do you meet friends? Where do you meet friends? I meet friends at cafe. I meet friends at cafe. Does he go to parties? Does he go to parties? Yes, he goes to parties. Yes, he goes to parties. Do you use social media? Do you use social media? Yes, I use social media every day. Yes, I use social media every day. How often do you call your friends? How often do you call your friends? I call my friends every week. I call my friends every week. Does she have a smartphone? Does she have a smartphone? Yes, she has a smartphone. Yes, she has a smartphone. Do you use computers? Do you use computers? Yes, I use computers daily. Yes, I use computers daily.